My name is Ragini. I did my graduation in journalism from Sophia College for Women in Bombay. After journalism, people generally join channels and everything, but I wanted to actually understand how this country works. I joined the fellowship because I wanted to understand how systems work in the rural setup.
After college, I went to our regular recruiter KPMG and worked with them, and then after that with EY in risk consulting and fraud investigation for 3 years. But I realized I wanted to engage in more socially relevant work, and the desire to explore the social sector is what brought me into the Gandhi Fellowship.
Hi, I'm Shivam Pathak. I come from Patna. I wanted to experiment social science. Being a student of social science, this was the perfect opportunity for me to experiment the ideas that I learned back in my college.
Hi, my name is Aditi Chatterjee. I am from Calcutta. I studied my BBA in Symbiosis Pune, after which I was working with KPMG in Pune for 2 years in risk advisory, and then I was working in Ernst & Young for a year in Bombay in the fraud investigation team. During my assignments in KPMG and Ernst & Young, I came across a lot of labor practices which really bothered me. By the end of that year, I took the decision to join the fellowship because I wanted some perspective about what the bottom of the pyramid looks like and how the people in the country actually live. And that is not something that I could properly see through the corporate lens, which is why I came into the fellowship.
When I was studying in Ramjas and I was doing this course BA program, and we used to study about development economics, agriculture, poverty. I always wondered what would it be like to really go to the grassroots and create that impact, and this always had a question mark in me. Secondly, I learned a lot of things being in Delhi. I learned about leadership, so I was really enthusiastic to really do what I had learned. And hence I was looking around for a great opportunity to work in the hinterlands, and that's where I found this opportunity, took the dive, and trust me, it's made me a better person. It's connected me to the broader reality of my country, and best of all, it's really given me a direction in life.
My name is Harika. I did my engineering from BITS Pilani Goa campus in chemical engineering and masters in mathematics. I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh. Instead of choosing the mainstream of engineering, I wanted to understand the social issues, what's happening in the grassroots level. So I joined in Gandhi Fellowship.